go again. Oh, here we...
Yeah?
Can I get out of the car?
Good, how are you?
Good.
This is his
You're on
highlight.
YouTube.
He couldn't wait.
You're on YouTube.
What's that?
You're on YouTube.
I'm on YouTube.
And he's having surgery tomorrow, so he couldn't wait.
Can I get out of the car, Dad?
Tomorrow, so.
Can I get out of the car, Daddy?
No, stay in the car, buddy.
I want to get out of the car.
It's crazy though. Past two, 3 nights I've worked, I've done this zone. I've been doing it over and over and over.
I know.
Last time I saw you guys is like the first time I did it. Now I've got it like completely memorized.
Really? It's confusing.
It is. There's a lot of different types of roads you're dealing with in the zone. You know, you got a lot of dirt roads with small dead ends. The first part that you get here, you got some pretty decent
Yeah, we were down in Trinity 2 nights ago, and we were passing through. And
Can you turn on the light
go by
on it?
The light?
Yeah,
Yep.
the little light on there. Here it is, guys.
Light.
Little light blinking. There's...
Yeah, because we live over in Lakewood Estates.
Okay.
When he sees it here, oh man, you guys are in the neighborhood, in ours, he's out there all night waiting for it. And, I don't know how. I think he's probably your #1 fan. Exactly. Oh yeah.
I want to get around. And nothing on the other side.
Oh yeah. Yep. Oh, that was the best. I think that was probably the best day of his life.
This thing is just so big.
I'm very jealous most of my life. I never even heard of these things until we moved up here to Pasco. And I was like, what? The first time I ever heard it, I was like, what?
Oh, I smell it. Oh.
I thought it was an airplane that landed in the street, and I ran out, and I was like, what the hell is that truck doing? Yeah, Nellis does.
Hey.
I think Nellis does the planes.
What is your name again?
My name?
Yeah.
My name is Chris.
Oh, hi, Chris. You're
What's
dark.
your name?
Landon.
Landon. Shake hands. Nice to meet you.
Thanks.
I'm glad we got a fan, you know?
Mm.
You know, there's so many people like, don't bring me, you know, all that stuff, you know, so.
Yeah.
The last video of you already about to 200 likes. I mean views.
Yeah.
This is his dream come true, and he's like, I want to work for him, I want to work for him.
Yeah, I got it.
Ew, that's all rusty. Hey,
1 in the morning, then I'm up at school.
Yeah.
I got a big question. Do you know where you got these sprayers from?
These sprayers are built in-house. Matter of fact, our old director, his name was Mr. Robinson.
Because all the other ones just come from Clark.
Yeah, Clark makes the nozzles on these.
We're going for a plant in 3 weeks, and he wants to take a tour. They got a plant in our land. And he's like, can we go there? I said, Landon, no, it's a factory. No.
Fire alarm, ratio,
Same thing, you have the whole fire alarm, oh, Landon.
Yeah?
He loves Landon. He has a whole collection of them.
Hey, and I have a whole collection. I have a YouTube channel about
Fire
them.
alarms.
I still got my panel,
Oh, man.
my whole system. We went down to Piper down in Pinellas County when I was like 7 or 8, and my dad bought a bunch of stuff because I came down with the swine flu and I was getting better.
That's to say, he has probably about 30 of them. True Alerts. He has a whole panel system. He has to be a lot. Yep. He knows the same thing. He knows all the different brands. He goes on eBay. If he does really good at school, you know, We warn them with the fire alarm.
Yeah.
You know,
We have them rigged throughout the whole house too.
you know
I
what
never
I
got
like?
that far. I wish I did, but I'm not.
Each
not an
room
electrician,
has a
so I don't
damn
know.
fire alarm, and we also have a fire drill every Wednesday. Every the first Wednesday of every month. Pulls them all down. Our neighbors love us. Oh my God. Landon, he's got to get back to work.
All right. One more thing. I would like to ride with you one day. That would be really cool.
You would have to call our office because we have a very strict policy about having anybody in the front.
Landon, there's no way, buddy.
Yeah. It's a bumpy ride too. There's my first night doing orientation. I rode with my boss in Moonlight. Oh, that was a whole different crowd.
Every night like this?
You get newer neighborhoods, and Moonlight we're going down.
I know what you're spraying. You're using malathion this time.
Stinky stuff.
Can I hear it start up?
You can hear it start up. Just I got to get down the road a little bit because there's still chemical in the line. I don't want
All right.
to blast all over you guys.
Bye.
Have a good one, guys. Thank you.
Be safe.
Woo!
All right.
That
You
was
got
so
what you
awesome.
wanted there. Let's go home.
Yep, we need to go home now.